Hi! So you've done all your preparation and practiced your English a lot, and now you want to know what you can do during the exam. Here are 5 tips to help you get the best mark in your next speaking exam. Number 1. Remember, it's not a race, so slow down. Before you speak, think carefully about what you want to say and speak a little slower than normal. Number 2. If you don't understand the question or the activity, don't worry. Ask the examiner to explain it again. You can say something like, "Could you repeat that, please?" Number 3. When you're asked a question, don't just say yes or no as your answer. The examiner wants to know how good your English is, so try to explain your answer with a reason. Say, "Yes, I agree because," or "No, I don't think so because." Number 4. Look at the examiner's or other students' faces and eyes when you speak. Faces can tell you a lot. If you see that the examiner or your partner don't understand you, then say it again using different words. And finally, number 5. Speak clearly so that the examiner can hear you. If you find this difficult, practice with a friend at home. Stand at opposite ends of a room and speak to each other in English. Or speak to each other in English online or on the phone. Okay, so these are our top 5 tips. But just one final piece of advice. Your teacher or examiner are only human, and usually they will really want you to do well. So, take a deep breath, smile, relax, and good luck on your next speaking exam.